Morning, Kels. How's it going? Yeah, not bad, mate. See, you would have hit TP overnight. Pretty good. Yeah, man. Yeah, I thought we were going to get a little bit more of a push here once we started to break up and above, but we're now pulling back, aren't we? Yeah, it's a tough one. Bloody hell, it's come down hard. Yeah, nice, mate. Decent, bro. Hello, Mukisa. Morning. Just watching GJ on the 1 minute here.
Good morning, good morning.
Morning, brother. How you doing?
I'm fine, how are you today?
Yeah, good, man.
Let's kill today.
Yeah, bro.
Yesterday was a lot of rain.
Mm. Yeah, we've done a little heavy move overnight. Started to break up. We're now pulling back to the lows of the range after getting a little break confirmation, but we'll see. There's some more upside volume going to come in then. Mm. 5 minutes closing, very deadish. It's also the 15-minute close, right? Yeah. Tough one. YouTube has been so poor this week. It's really made me not even want to bother.
Yeah, just keep a little hope. This is just maybe it needs some time.
Bro, I don't even know, man. It's been a few weeks, you know what I mean? The thing is, because I'm not doing what everybody else is doing signals and all that shit, do you know what I mean? It's kind of a bit predictable that I wouldn't get the same traction, but to be honest, like, what's more important to me is sticking to myself. But I know I could just, you know, I don't have to do this, I don't have to be here, do you know what I mean? Doing this because I want to help people and shit, but it's pretty annoying.
Yeah, just take it slow and try for small time.
It's a tough one, bro, trust. I ain't even sure DJ's gonna head up today. Head up further now. Not even too sure. just want to watch it from the 1 minute.
Yeah, how all that range yesterday was getting on my nerves.
You just need to see it come back above like 450s. This looks like a heavy rejection from a 30 minutes down point. That's what's annoying. Yeah, it's like we got one person on right now. So dead, man. Actually crazy dead.
Today we got USD.
Yeah, USD. Geo dive, oi oi. Hello mate. Trust YouTube has been waiting. Yep. Mate, it honestly makes me not want to bother. It really makes me not want to bother.
How many viewers do you have there?
Well, it just went up for it just went up to 5, which is kind of weird, but was on 1.
Well, I don't know, man. It's just, I think it's all on marketing. You need to do some marketing.
Yeah, yeah, it's a tough one though. Sorry for being sparse lately. I'm not sure what that even means, but no worries. Hopefully we're just building some liquidity to head up. Your mate sounds like Darth Vader. Yeah, honestly I don't know why. It's the settings on Streamlabs. I don't know how to sort it out, to be honest. He just sounds like very echoey. I heard it yesterday. Yeah, it's a bit annoying, but not much I can do. I'm not really sure how to sort it out, to be honest.
Come on, Darth Vader is the right guy, though.
I have to call you Darth.
Well, both start with this Darth Vader, Donald. Yeah.
Yeah, Darth Vader Donald. Darth Donald. Mate, GJ's just looking shit right now. Are you streaming? Are you streaming right now, Kelsey? Oh no, it's Wednesdays. You don't stream on Wednesday, of course. Oh mate, this is just so dead. You're looking for a short on GJ? Oh wow. Can't say the same, bro. But it looks like it wants to push down, to be fair. Does look like it wants to push down maybe. Looks like it's just sort of creating a little order block there. Or whatever they call it. Whatever you call it, consolidation. Oh yeah, that's gone. Yeah, mate, that is gone. Yeah, I mean, I wouldn't be jumping in sells, but obviously projecting the highs over here. I thought we'd at least get to 800s, to be fair. Maybe not. Do you do swing trading? No. No, I'm just a scout. What about counter trend trading? No. Not really. I mean, trend is a bit what's the word, subjective as well, because like, I don't know, let's take the 30-minute right now. The trend is clearly bullish, right? But then I don't know, let's say you go to the 5-minute. This is just like theoretical. The trend is now beginning to change, roughly. Let's say it comes down here and then creates a lower resistance and whatever. Then obviously on the 5-minute, the trend is starting to change. But yeah, no, but typically I'll stick with the trend. So I wouldn't like just be now jumping in sales. You know what I'm saying? But like, for example, I will be probably looking for this to stop where we are. Maybe give us a pull back to like 800s. See if we can get a solid closure down there. Would be good. To then continue our way back this way. Because if we respect 4-hour highs over here, then this just becomes a new lower time frame high. Understand, since I've started using Ichimoku, I've been able to scalp using counter trend. Don't normally scalp trade, but it's been working lately. Fair enough. Sounds good. Not heard of Ichimoku, but yeah, me personally, I'm waiting for like a support to form, 30 minute, something like that, sort of around these areas. Should give you a good shot back up to this kind of target area. This is our current range that we're in effectively. And you can look at this level as well. So like this kind of zone is massively key. So I'll be waiting to see what happens. leave it on the 5 minute, see what happens. Right, I'll be back here in a minute.
Okay.
I'll be back in a sec. Yo, I'm back. You trade oil, bruv? No. No, I don't trade oil. It's a really good level to short, but would wait for confirmation first. What level to short? Are you talking about GJ right now, or are you talking about something else?
Well, I think about GJ, a good short idea would be below one.
Below what?
Below 166.
Yeah, probably it's going to be better below 66. Yeah, maybe.
Below 166 it might have potential to go down.
I mean, if you look at the structure though on the lower time frames, like very, very bullish. I would say you can't even really sell it until you've seen a drop, a pullback, and then a lower structure form in respect in a previous area. Because look at it, like right now, every downside move is just support to continue.
Did we have some news around Asia? Because even gold, even GJ has moved a lot during Asia.
Yeah, moved a
Maybe
lot.
there was some news or some shit, or no?
No, I think there was some Japanese news, yeah, but that's it. Oil short. Oh, cool. We have to send in a chart, mate. Then we know what you're talking about.
Someone shorted GJ.
No, oil. Looking at oil.
Oh, well, I have more than a year that I don't trade oil.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Check the group chat sent on earlier. What group chat? Oh, do you mean Kelsey's group? Because I'm not on Discord anymore. So Kels, how much did you make off that trade yesterday? Oh, I got a new subscriber. V Football. Cheers, mate. I just saw that 8 minutes ago. Yeah, I mean, from a weekly standpoint, I was kind of thinking that our next target would be 67. And then like sort of 67.5, so I still think we're going to head up. Maybe it's just a case of we're going to need some support, actual daily support formed in and around like this zone somewhere. So that may mean that we're going to come back to this area, create support, but I don't think that it means downside sells. So I think it's more just we could come back here. But yeah, this is a tricky area though. You can see this is a tricky spot. That's why we're having these reactions in here. It's a dead ass area actually, you know. So between pretty much where we are, 66.2 all the way up to kind of 67. Cheers, Kels, mate. But yeah, how much did you make off that trade, or how many pips did you get in the end? Can't remember what you got in. Is it there? What's the name? The name, yeah, install Slack if you want to join, mate. Obviously, if you're part of Kelsey's group or whatever, it's up to you if you want to join my free Slack, but it's up to you. Yeah, if you Instagram DM me or whatever, I can send you a link. It's up to you, mate. Decent, mate. Decent. Well, that felt good. Waking up to that. Yeah, I'd rather us have like a smaller bearish candle closure, something like that, and then if we can get a bullish 30-minute, that would be pretty cool, and then we can look to sort of target this. That would make sense. But yeah, nice, bro. Solid trade, mate. Tell you what though, Donald, you're the only one who's been proper bang on it. I said, I tell you what, mate. I said you're the only one in the group that's been like proper bang on it. You know what I
Well, we
mean?
have Pharaoh, but Pharaoh has disappeared like a little bit.
Yeah, Farah just sort of comes on like now. He was pretty on it, but then now he doesn't really come on that much.
I'm gonna come. I don't know where does he live.
Sorry, mate. Say again.
Where does he live? In what country?
He's from Somalia.
So maybe it depends on what partner does he have over there.
Yeah, maybe like his service. I don't know. His service usually isn't that great, but yeah, it just still would be nice.
If you have like people or that kind of people, it's still gonna be nice.
Yeah, just need that
It makes
few more people in
conversation.
it. Yeah, just a few more
Yeah,
people.
the conversation continues and starts again.
Yeah, bro.
But sometimes there's David or Paul, they start to talk like for 1 minute and then disappear like that.
I know. I know. Yeah, well, look, at the end of the day, I'm keeping an eye on those that are talking and that, and I'm also keeping. Yeah, do you know what I mean? Ultimately, like, honestly, I'd rather have only 3 people that actually like, do you know what I mean, committed and all
Yeah,
that, than like
they are
20.
conversational.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's all you need. Is if they are inactive, you don't need them. Why do you need them?
No, no, I'm not in. Like, I'm not interested in a big group. I'm interested in a group with people that are actually gonna, like, do you know what I mean? Actually gonna make the effort. That's what it's there for, isn't it?
Yeah, that's true. People that come in, do the work, and then get out. That's what's needed.
Yeah,
So
bro.
I think with some hope and patience, everything can be done.
Yeah, I agree. Yeah, it's just the YouTubers annoying me last couple of days. Cause it's just like so a little bit pointless, really. You know, if like
Well, I think it needs time. Because
yeah,
like everything starts from the beginning.
yeah,
Everything
it needs time, yeah. But the thing is, you got to remember is I'm not like all the other streamers that are gonna like they're all so generic now. Do you know what I'm saying? Like I ain't gonna spoon feed people and baby them and tell them when to buy, when to sell, when to do this, when to do that. Do you know what I mean? I ain't doing that, so automatically there's gonna be a high proportion of people that just based off that not gonna be interested. Do you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, that's true. That's definitely true. But still, I think with time, people come short. People come in and they will not be like people. People that's really nice.
Yeah, I'll probably see it out to the end of the month, and if it's really just a waste of my time, then I can just carry on doing what I've always been doing, and that's doing it for myself, and either working by myself or working with people like you who are gonna, you know, actually make the effort. And I'd rather that every day than sitting there just talking to myself. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, that's true. That's true. But still, we can look hope. Have patience, I think the child will grow. Because depends on even on background, because some people don't have the right outcome. So you wake up at 7 in the morning or 8 in the morning.
Yeah, I just think people nowadays they don't want to work hard for things. Well, not everybody obviously, but like there's this majority of people that just don't want to put in the true work that's required to be a success. You know what I mean? They actually think they're gonna pay somebody else to tell them when to take trades. Like it's actually crazy.
Yeah, that's true. Majority of people nowadays They just want easy money. They don't want to put in work. So they just want to click a button and buy next money. They don't want to put in work to achieve this money, deserve this money.
Mm. Yeah, bro, it's crazy. I don't get it, but oh well. Don't get it, but oh well. Right, last 5 minutes till open, and then we'll call it. In fact, I might call it a day in a minute actually. On stream anyway. I think when you're starting out paying for premium signals, it's okay while you're learning, but you have to force yourself to learn at the end of the day. I have to say I disagree. I mean, I don't think anyone should be selling or doing signals, to be honest. You know, not only is it like, there's just a few things for me, like, you know, end of the day, if your signals just suddenly are not very good, you're technically at fault if someone loses money. Like, you're taken away from the fact that they think they can just start making money day one, when we know statistically 90% of traders lose money. And then you got all these signals providers, therefore 90% of those have to be you know, have to be wrong. So it's like most of these signal providers are wrong, therefore they're just scamming people out of money for starters. Then you have these guys that say they want to teach you, they want to mentor you, they want to do all this, but then they're selling you signals that ain't teaching you nothing. Do you know what I'm saying? You're literally relying on a guy to tell you when to enter. Do you know what I'm saying? I have to say I'm completely against it. I just think like people should trade their own funds, they should take their own trades. You know, a lot of people would be better off financially if signals weren't a thing, because most of them are dog. Otherwise everyone would be just rinsing it, wouldn't they? But they're not. Most people lose. Simple fact. So where is that coming from? Signal providers, algos, all this bollocks. You know what I'm saying? To be honest, even when I'm much more confident trading than I am now, I'll probably still pay for signal just to save me time when I manage a lot more money but won't necessarily take the trades. Yeah, so I mean, look, it's up to you. But then, you know, if you haven't got time to take trades, then, you know what I'm saying, should you be trading? This is trading, right? Sitting here, right, analyzing a chart, saying, right, if we start to break up, create high support, I'll be taking buys, whatever, right? Targets, that, right? That's trading. That's analyzing a chart. Then you're executing with your broker, with your own money. That is trading. Yeah. Me waiting for a guy to say, right, buy now, with no clue why, what. Do you know what I mean? There's nothing there, just other than buy here, take profit here, sell stops here. Yeah, I don't. It just, yeah, to me it's a no-no. To me. But you know, am I gonna be able to convince the majority? No. No. In fact, if anything, they're gonna. That's what they love. They love the signals. But that's exactly why signals are so popular. But that's why most things in society are very popular, because they're convenient to people. And it's not convenient for people to go and have to study something for 5 years, like myself, you know, 6 years to become profitable. Do you know what I mean? You know, it's just, if I told someone, right, you've got option 1, 6 years, you're going to lose money, but then you can start making money. Or option 2, buy my signals for £50 a month, and then you can start making money now. Everyone's gonna go for the signals, but 1, he could be lying. 2, you're gonna probably lose money anyway. Do you know what I'm saying? Thank you, Super Ben Wong. It's a wicked name. if I do say so. Peng Wong. Yeah, so that's just my opinion on it. I understand your viewpoint. I vet any signals I get with my strategy. I've found though it saves me a lot of time researching, to be honest. Well, it's up to you. It's completely up to you, mate. But you know, like I say, there's a lot of people that have been you know, lost a lot of money with signals, you know. What do we reckon? What do you reckon opens can smash down? Just gonna see a fat 4-hour bearish candle. What was that? But yeah, anyway, YouTube, I'm gonna call it a day anyway. So thanks for coming on, appreciate it. Make sure you like the stream, make sure you subscribed, and we'll see everybody tomorrow. So take care, have a good day, and yeah, see everyone tomorrow. Thanks for coming on. Take care, take care. Cheers, YouTube.